Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. Today, we're diving into the world of RCA Universal Remote Controls. Specifically, we'll be exploring how to find and program universal codes for your RCA remote, whether you've lost your original remote or just want to consolidate your controls. This guide will help you get your devices synced up in no time. Understanding RCA Universal Remotes. RCA Universal Remotes are designed to replace multiple remotes with a single device, simplifying your entertainment setup. They're compatible with a wide range of TVs, DVD players, soundbars, and more. 2. Finding universal codes. Method: code search. Start by turning on the device you want to program, e.g., your TV. Press and hold the code search button on your RCA remote until the indicator light turns on. Release the code search button. The light should remain on. Press the device button, e.g., TV, on the remote. The indicator light will blink and then remain lit. Press and release the power button repeatedly until the device turns off. Each press sends a new code. Once the device turns off, press the Enter button to store the code. The indicator light should turn off. Test the remote to ensure it controls the device properly. Method: code entry. Find the code list for your RCA remote model, usually found in the remote's manual or online. Turn on the device you want to program. Press and hold the device button, e.g., TV, on the remote. While holding the device button, enter the first code from the list using the number buttons. Release the device button. The indicator light should turn off. Test the remote with the device. If it doesn't work, repeat the process with the next code on the list until you find the correct one. Conclusion. There you have it. Programming your RCA Universal Remote with universal codes is a straightforward process that can simplify your home entertainment setup. No more hunting for lost remotes or struggling with multiple controllers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Have questions or need further assistance? Drop us a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy remote programming.